how to fix Binance login error 2FA not working. So if you're facing Binance login error and your two-factor authentication is not working, you've set up your email and phone number as your 2FA, but it is not sending the code to those. So let me show you what the issue is. First, go to binance.com or the app and just go to the login tab over here. And of course, enter the email or phone number associated with your account. You must make sure, however, you have access to both the email address and the phone number that you provided within your Binance account. Then you just select the continue button, enter your password. If the password is correct, just click on the continue button again. And here you can see it will send a 6-digit verification code sent to your email. So all you have to do is simply make sure to log into your respective email. So let me go ahead and quickly do that as well and check if I've received the verification code. And yes, I have actually received the verification code on my email address over here. Now, once you enter the verification code, click the next option and you'll be successfully signed in. It may ask you to go ahead and then also enter your phone number sometimes if you have the phone number. So in that case, you might want to log into the phone number as well. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.